Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Bobby Education 9 YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed how the labor codes benefit workers across different sectors. In today's video, we will move one step ahead and start from additional reforms introduced under the labor codes. A very important reform is the introduction of a national floor wage. This means no worker anywhere in India can be paid below a minimum standard wage. It ensures that workers earn enough to maintain basic living dignity and prevents extreme wage exploitation. Next, let's talk about gender-neutral reforms. The labor codes are gender-neutral, ensuring equal job opportunities and wages for everyone. They explicitly prohibit discrimination not only against women, but also against transgender persons, making the labor system more inclusive and fair. Next, let's talk about inspector-cum-facilitator. Earlier, inspection systems were often seen as intimidating or punitive. Now, the new inspector-cum-facilitator system focuses on guidance and awareness. Instead of punishment first, employers are encouraged to comply voluntarily, reducing fear and corruption. Next, let's talk about faster dispute resolution. To avoid long legal battles, the labor codes introduce faster and more predictable dispute resolution. Workers and employers can approach two-member industrial tribunals, even directly after conciliation, ensuring disputes are resolved quicker and fairly. Next, let's talk about simplified compliance. Earlier, employers had to deal with multiple registrations, multiple licenses and repeated return submissions. Now everything is simplified into a single registration, single national license and single return. This reduces paperwork and makes compliance easier, especially for industries and businesses. Next, let's talk about National Occupational Safety and Health Board. A National Occupational Safety and Health Board has been created. It will frame consistent safety and health standards across all sectors, ensuring workplaces remain safe, modern and worker-friendly nationwide. Next, let's talk about safety committees. In establishments with 500 or more workers, a mandatory safety committee must be formed. This creates accountability inside organizations and ensures continuous monitoring of worker safety and welfare. Next, let's talk about higher applicability thresholds. The labor codes increase the applicability thresholds for some factory regulations. This helps reduce compliance pressure on very small units, while workers still remain protected. It strikes a balance between ease of doing business and worker safety. Now let's move ahead. The labor codes were drafted after extensive nationwide consultations with workers, employers, industry bodies and experts. This open approach will continue even during implementation. The government will engage with the public and stakeholders while framing rules, regulations and schemes under the codes, ensuring that every decision is practical, fair and worker-friendly. During the transition phase, workers and industries will not face confusion. Until the new rules are fully notified, the existing labor laws and rules will continue to remain in force. This ensures a smooth shift from old laws to the new labor code framework without any disruption. India has seen a historic jump in social security coverage. In 2015, only about 19% of the workforce was covered under social security. By 2025, this has increased to more than 64%, ensuring protection, dignity and financial stability for millions of workers. This achievement has also received international recognition. The implementation of the 4 labor codes is the next giant leap in this journey. They further widen the social security net and ensure that benefits are portable across states and sectors, which is especially important for migrant and mobile workers. These reforms clearly place workers at the center of labor governance. Special attention is given to women, youth, unorganized sector workers, gig workers and migrant workers, ensuring they receive equality, protection, dignity and opportunity. By simplifying compliance and reducing unnecessary paperwork, the labor codes make it easier to run businesses. They support modern and flexible work arrangements, encouraging investment, increasing employment opportunities, improving skilling and strengthening industries. This creates a pro-worker, pro-women, pro-youth and pro-employment labor ecosystem. In simple terms, the labor codes ensure stronger protection for workers, wider and portable social security, easier and transparent compliance for businesses, and a more modern, inclusive and future-ready labor system for India. So friends, this completes our detailed explanation of the labor codes and their impact on workers and industries. These reforms ensure protection, dignity, social security and equal opportunities for millions of workers, while making compliance easier for businesses and boosting India's growth. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thank you.